In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your image ID for Roblox. So what you'll have to do is basically go to roblox.com, open of course whatever your browser you want, and simply go to roblox.com/develop. Hit the enter button and make sure that you are logged in into your account. So from here, all you need to do, and then basically once you find yourself here, you can even, if you want, to use this Roblox Studio instead. So let me just go and open that as well. It's also available, or it's even better, as an example, to use the web version. So let me just go and wait for it until it's open and coming back to you. For example, here, make sure that you have it. Let's just go back first of all here. We can go first of all to development items, and here normally you should find decals. Or we can go, as an example, and try to upload an image. So let me just go and upload something. From here, let me just go and see an image. I'm just going to upload this one as an example. The name, I'm just going to, let's just keep it logo 2 and decal and click on upload. So the asset type is decal. Now, as an example, I do have here my image. So for you, you'll have to wait a few seconds for Roblox to approve the decal, and it should be basically uploaded. Now, how can we get this image ID? Now, as an example, let me just go and refresh this page. And right here, as an example, if I go and click on my decal, as you can see, I'll get here at the top of the URL an ID. So this is basically the image ID. This is the number and URL, and this is your decal ID. That's the ID. So if you paste it on that, you can basically paste it into your Roblox Studio or script, and you can use basically the decal ID in Roblox Studio. So if you go and open your Roblox Studio by any chance and try to insert any parts in the Explorer, you can just go and choose Insert Objects and Decal. In the Properties panel, you can paste that ID in the texture field, and the image will appear right there. So let me just go and try to do it. Let me just go and click on my experience right here. So here's an example. I'm just going to Workspace. I'm going to create, as we said, a part. So, okay, we created 2 parts. Let me just go and remove one. So in the parts right here, as you can see, we can just go and right click on that. Here we should find like an insert button. So here is it. Insert, as we said, object. And here we'll have to choose decal. And in the textures, as we said, in this texture, we'll have basically to add the URL. We can add, of course, we can add the full URL, or we can just go and add, basically it's going to be something like that. Should be like something like RBXA assets. So RBX assets ID, like this, 2 dots, 2 slashes. Then we'll have to go and get the ID from here. Let me just go and copy that. And okay, let me just go RBX assets ID, 2 dots and 2 slashes. Then paste the ID right here. So as you can see, this basic ID right here, or the decal ID, or maybe no need to add this. Of course, one thing that I forgot to mention, first of all, you'll have to select on which side you want the image to appear. So let me just go and paste the ID without anything else. And normally, as you can see, the image will start appearing. So let me just go and try to paste it. Okay, let me just go and delete this one and create a new one. So I'm just going to insert an object. It's going to be a decal. And here I'm just going to paste that, hit the enter button. And as you can see, the image is added right here without any problem. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.